hospitality sector is acutely aware that energy costs and CO2 reduction are currently high priorities. The hospitality industry is a heavy consumer of energy, and as such, this makes up a large portion of their annual operating costs. By embracing a sustainable approach, you will be able to reduce your carbon footprint and costs, ensuring greater profitability. MasterTherm have helped many clients on this journey.
My name is Tom Randles from Randles Hotels in Killarney. A little over 18 months ago, we started a project to look to retrofit our property, move away from carbon fuels. I contacted Tim O'Leary of BSPM.
Hi, my name is Tim O'Leary from BSPM Energy. I was able to engage with Lucas from MasterTherm and Bridget Walsh from Solar Evolution. Tom Randles and I engaged in looking at an entire sustainability plan and how you'd actually implement reducing on carbon footprint and decommissioning gas boilers and utilising renewables like heat pumps and solar PV and LED lighting.
With a strong team in place, we put a programme together to do this into a building which dates back from 1906, so it did have its difficulties. The project was well designed, and as a result of that, now we have a very eco-friendly building, a much greener property. All the space heating and domestic space heating is done through the heat pumps, and also to installing heat pumps in our leisure centre and swimming pool. And we have a 35 kilowatt solar farm on our roof. Overall, it was such a success environmentally and also financially. We've seen the return on investment and the cost savings. We have extended phase 2 of our project to the Drumhall Hotel, whereupon we are additionally installing heat pumps, which have been very successful, and a 65 kilowatt solar farm on the roof. The team put together a bespoke solution designed to install to follow-up situation. And I'm very happy today that I know that into the future, not only have we installed the system, we will have a system that will be there for many years to come.